That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, today's video is a instant clean and cook with me. I'm tidying up my kitchen. It is, in my opinion, a wreck. There are things all over the place, so I'm just going to give it a quick tidy up before I start dinner. I'm going to be honest with you, some things will not get accomplished in this video because if you are new here, then you don't know this, but my name is Denise and I am a stay-at-home mom of two. I have a 4-year-old son, his name is Lucas, and I have a 5-month-old daughter and her name is Logan. And throughout this video, she was just not trying to let me be great. I was desperately trying to get everything accomplished, but I did what I could do in order to get dinner started on time. So I'm going to be putting some dishes in the dishwasher, but first I'm going to empty the dishwasher. I'm going to clean off this griddle that we used the night before to make some hamburger patty melt sandwiches. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get a whole lot accomplished in this video besides wiping down some surfaces such as my refrigerator, my microwave. Watch me clean or clean along with me, but yeah, just enjoy the music until I get dinner started.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin,
When it comes to cleaning my griddle, I like to warm it up first just to make sure that all the grease and debris is loosened up before I use my sponge and tongs on it. I'm using the tongs so I'm not directly touching the sponge because it is still very hot once I warm it up again. And I think after this I'm going to start cleaning my sink so that I can have a fresh start for when I wash my baby bottles and all of my pumping equipment.
The horizon and the far excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a
And just in case if there are any breastfeeding moms out there, I do want to let you know that the breast bottle that I was using is the Nano BB or the Nano Baby. Anyway, I love that bottle. When Logan was young, she was not taking a bottle, and now she is thanks to those. So I'll have them linked in my description box.
Sky's beautiful and so are you. I wanna make it up to you, start something new. Yeah, I've been thinking of the parts I played for you. Now I'm drinking from the bottle as I do.
As far as dinner is concerned, tonight I'm going to be showing you how I like to make my chicken broccoli Alfredo pasta. It's one of my fall favorites, but I'm going to be starting off with the chicken. I'm just going to let you all see that these are chicken strips. I'm going to wash them and I'm going to chop them up, leave 2 for Lucas because he does not like the pasta, and I'm just seasoning it with some garlic salt, salt and pepper. So I have my setup here and I have my water starting to come to a boil in the back. I'm going to add my broccoli and let that steam for about, I think I let it steam for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to start browning my chicken, letting it get a nice color. I'm going to be using oil to cook my chicken, and as far as the sauce, I'll then empty my chicken into a separate bowl, and then I'm going to start on my sauce. I'm going to be using a heavy whipping cream. I'm going to first start with 2 cups of Parmesan cheese, and then once it starts coming to a little boil, I'm going to also add another cup of Parmesan cheese because I like mine to be really thick. You can also add maybe a tablespoon of flour to thicken it up like you would a roux or something like that, but I'm not going to use that option. I do like to season mine with a little salt and pepper just to make sure that my sauce is seasoned to taste. And after that, I'm going to add my pasta and my broccoli to the sauce, toss that, and then I'll add the chicken, and we're going to have it all ready to go.
For too long, I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I wanted to give you some quick inspiration or motivation this Sunday and give you some cooking and cleaning inspiration. I hope that this video deserved a thumbs up, and leave me a comment if you enjoyed it. Let me know if there was any questions that you have in the comments, and I look forward to speaking to anyone new. Again, my name is Denise, and I hope you subscribe. Bye.